Welcome, leaders. Today, we're diving into the art of handling difficult people. It's a skill every leader needs. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Listen actively. Sometimes, people just want to be heard. Show them you're listening by nodding and maintaining eye contact. Tip 2. Stay calm. When tensions rise, be the calm in the storm. Take deep breaths and keep your composure. Tip 3. Empathize. Put yourself in their shoes. Understand their perspective and acknowledge their feelings. Tip 4. Communicate clearly. Be direct and concise in your communication. Avoid misunderstandings by being crystal clear. Tip 5. Set boundaries. Know your limits and assert them respectfully. Boundaries create a healthy environment for everyone. Tip 6. Offer solutions. Instead of dwelling on the problem, focus on finding solutions together. It's empowering for everyone involved. Tip 7. Lead by example. Show them how it's done. Your actions speak louder than words. And there you have it, leaders. Remember, it's all about patience, understanding, and a sprinkle of empathy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.